On display today is a 2022 SeaRay 250 SLX equipped with a Mercruiser 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower, 120 hour engine. This beauty is well equipped, screams luxury, and well worth checking out. Let's get into it, have a look. On the bow, this beautiful vessel is equipped with a molded stainless steel polished Lumar anchor with polished anchor roller as well as windlass and chain. Gel coat on the side is showing absolutely beautifully. Love the color combination on this. Really stands out. Also has your color match tower. Moving on to the transom, huge swim platform with under platform swim ladder. Nice big lounging area with cup holders as well as utility outlet for water toys, phone chargers. In addition, it has a transom shower. It's well lit up with late night cruise lights. It's got a nice bluish purplish color, and there are courtesy lights throughout the boat. Sea deck flooring throughout. Nice big lounge area. Gotta love that gray upholstery. A little less maintenance than the white, but not as hot as those darker colors. It also does come with a cockpit table. You can see just at the kick panel, there's the mount for the cockpit table. Massive ski locker. It's about thigh deep, and I'm 6 foot. Both pedals to the seats move front to back as well as have bolsters. They also swivel. You've got your digital shifter and the glass cockpit. This has dual SIMRAD screens, one for engine functions and one for navigation. Stainless steel switches along with a Fusion sound system. Of course, it's equipped with Bluetooth. Gotta love the color reflecting off the stainless. Now over on the port side, we've got a extremely well lit up head with sink, porcelain toilet, moving on up, huge bower area, bucket seats on both the port and starboard side with armrests. Again, you've got that beautiful blue lighting throughout. Upholstery is all showing perfectly, no nicks, tears, or staining. Everything shows to be in beautiful condition. Moving on back, I'm going to open up the electric engine hatch and we'll have a look. This engine is a thing of beauty. Plenty of grunt with this Mercruiser 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower engine. It's only got 120 hours. This is a nice, tidy unit. There's no corrosion anywhere on the boat. Also has your Halo automatic fire extinguisher system. It also does have an electric engine hatch. So that's our featured 2022 SeaRay 250 SLX with 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower Mercruiser engine. If you're interested in this boat, give me a call, Patrick, at 0427-162-749, or you can email me at patrick@coastalboatsales.com.au.